I'm here today with Barry Calnan and Brian Murphy of 3D Printing Solutions. Barry, can you tell us a little bit about what 3D Printing Solutions does?
Sure. 3D Printing Solutions is a sales, maintenance, training, and printing shop for 3D systems, 3D printers. They include the Z Corp line of printers plus the ProJet line of printers.
And I understand you've done some work that's related to the process industry. Can you show us a little bit about that, Barry and Brian?
Sure. I'll show you what we've got here, and Brian can explain a little bit. We've got various examples of valves, valve bodies, valves, and some layouts. So I'll let Brian explain that to you.
Okay, thanks, Brian.
Sure. Some of the interesting models we've got here are we've got a refinery piping design layout right here, in full 3D color. All of the pipes are color coded, and you've got your tanks and everything right inside there. So you might use something like this for either visual conception, passing it around at a meeting or something like that, or, even taking a look in those tight places to make sure if you do drop something in there that you'll be able to get it out.
And you can print in those colors at the same time?
Yes, sir, for 24 million colors.
24 million?
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh. Okay, and what's this valve here? What's happening there?
Sure. This is a valve housing right here, and it's got some finite element analysis data mapped to it, showing where the stresses are in this particular valve.
And right now it's exploding, right?
Exactly. It's getting ready to explode into a million pieces. Okay. So, once you've got this data mapped to it, you might be able to take this back to the manufacturer, hand it to them, and say, here, this is where your valve has problems. Is there anything you can help us do with this?
Or it's the last thing you saw before...
before the lights went out.
Right. And what's going on here with this piece right there?
Actually a valve for a blowout preventer, and our parent company, Subsea Solutions, they use these models for their training program, and they actually train people to go out on the oil rigs out in the ocean and work on these products. So, they use these in the training class, and they'll show the individual students, say, hey, there's an O-ring right in here that you need to get to. You can get to that O-ring by taking out certain sections and everything like that, and it just takes that training class to the next level.
Okay. If somebody wants to get hold of us, 3D Printing Solutions, how do they get hold of you, Barry?
The easiest way to get hold of us is to go online. We're at 3d-printingsolutions.com, and all of our information is up on there. On the website, there's the phone number, there's the Twitter feed, there's the Facebook, everything.
Okay, we've been here with Barry Calnan and Brian Murphy of 3D Printing Solutions.